If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that actually covers the basics, calls, fitness tracking, and health monitoring, this one might surprise you. This is the LaNikar Smart Watch for men, and right now it's going for just $20, down from over $64, which is honestly wild for what you're getting. At first glance, it has a clean, sporty round design with a 1.32-inch TFT display and a solid alloy case. It feels sturdy on the wrist, not like one of those ultra-cheap plastic watches. You also get multiple custom watch faces, so you can match it with your outfit or mood. Always a nice touch. One of the standout features here is Bluetooth calling. You can answer and make calls directly from the watch, as long as it's connected to your phone. For quick calls while driving, working out, or walking, this is super convenient. You'll also get call alerts, message notifications, and app reminders synced from your phone. Now let's talk fitness and health. This watch tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and sleep monitoring. For daily awareness and general fitness tracking, it does the job really well, especially at this price. It also includes step counting, distance tracking, calories burned, and multiple activity modes for workouts and daily movement. Battery life is solid. You can expect up to 7 days on normal use, which means you're not charging it every night. It works with both Android and iOS, using the FitCloud Pro app, and setup is straightforward. It's life waterproof, so hand washing, sweat, or light rain won't be an issue. Perfect for everyday wear. The silicone strap is comfortable, detachable, and suitable for long hours on the wrist. Considering the features, Bluetooth calling, health tracking, custom dials, getting all this for around $20 is honestly a great deal. Click the link in the description below to buy if you want to check the latest price and discounts. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment if you'd wear this smartwatch, and subscribe for more tech reviews and budget gadgets like this.